Every luxury merino wool product begins its journey on peaceful farms like these. Healthy nutrition creates the foundation for exceptionally fine merino wool. Modern farming technology helps protect the quality of every merino fleece. Careful health inspections ensure only premium quality fleece continues the journey. From these remarkable animals begins the story of premium merino wool. New Zealand's pristine alpine environment supports premium merino farming. South African merino flocks contribute to the global supply of premium wool. Careful breeding and precision farming help maintain consistent merino quality. Australian merino sheep are celebrated worldwide for producing exceptionally fine wool. The Rambouillet merino remains one of the world's most respected merino bloodlines. Merino sweaters combine natural softness with exceptional temperature regulation. Modern merino hoodies deliver comfort, performance, and everyday elegance. Merino wool jackets are prized for warmth, comfort, and timeless luxury. Merino wool blankets offer natural warmth with remarkable softness.
The texture is amazing, and the packaging is so refined.
I agree, so elegant.
Yeah.
I agree, it's very elegant.
Precision spinning transforms fine merino fibers into premium quality yarn.
Utilizing advanced automation, our massive scouring systems efficiently clean the raw wool.
Around the world, merino craftsmanship reaches the highest standards of modern manufacturing. Premium merino fabric is engineered for exceptional softness, strength, and comfort. Our journey now arrives at the Halal Factory, where premium manufacturing is about to begin. Healthy merino sheep arrive safely for the beginning of premium wool production. Every sheep is carefully examined before the wool harvesting process begins. Clean fleece helps produce premium quality merino wool. The valuable merino fleece is harvested with skill and care. Every premium garment begins with carefully selected merino wool arriving at the Halal Factory. Every shipment is inspected before entering production. Advanced automation sorts every fiber with remarkable precision. Careful washing preserves the natural softness of premium merino fibers. Controlled drying prepares the fibers for the next stage of precision manufacturing. Every spool is inspected to ensure uncompromising merino yarn quality. Precision spinning transforms premium fibers into luxurious merino yarn. Every fiber is carefully prepared for precision spinning. Carding aligns every delicate fiber into a smooth and consistent web. Only the finest merino fibers continue to the next manufacturing stage. Precision dyeing gives every merino yarn its lasting color and premium finish. Careful drying preserves color, softness, and fiber performance. The stabilized fabric is now perfectly prepared for precision garment cutting. Every fabric roll passes rigorous inspection before garment production. Advanced knitting technology transforms premium yarn into luxurious merino fabric. Every garment begins with digitally engineered precision. Automated cutting ensures flawless accuracy with every fabric panel.
Look at the throughput on the merino line. The AI adjustment worked.
Incredible precision. The Halal certification tracking is also flawless.
Robotic sewing delivers exceptional precision and consistency. Precision assembly transforms every component into a premium merino garment. Precision folding prepares every garment for luxury presentation. Premium packaging protects every garment for customers around the world. Every garment receives meticulous finishing before its final inspection. The journey from merino wool to premium clothing is now complete. Premium merino clothing is now ready to serve customers across the world. From one factory, premium craftsmanship reaches every corner of the world. Every finished garment reflects precision, quality, and dedicated craftsmanship. The journey continues as customers discover premium merino craftsmanship.
I am absolutely loving the texture of this merino wool.
Thank you for coming. We hope to see you again soon.
Just a little higher with the chin. Yes, beautiful. Now turn slowly towards the softbox. Perfect.
Every purchase represents quality, comfort, and craftsmanship.
Luxury is best experienced when craftsmanship meets confidence. Thank you for visiting the Halal Factory, where tradition, technology, and quality become one. Every production day ends with a complete factory cleaning.
The air filtration system is performing above specifications. Yes, and the robotic brushes show zero bristle wear after 50 cycles.
A spotless environment reflects the factory's commitment to excellence. A perfectly clean factory is ready to begin another journey of premium craftsmanship. Clean logistics facilities protect every finished product before shipment.